It's party rice.
Yes.
Yay! We're doing a party.
If you dey plan say you wan make jollof rice this weekend, come closer. This video is for you. Hello, good day, everyone. You are welcome back. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, my people, we are making toasting pawpaw party jollof rice. The name too long. I beg, Bona, give me my flour. So, guys, let's go. For the beginning, una go hear my daughter voice when she dey happy. She come kitchen and she was like, mommy, what are you cooking? I tell her say I dey make jollof rice. And she just dey happy. Say, mommy, you are making party jollof. Are we doing party? And I said, no, we are not doing party, but we are making this jollof for ourselves alone. So she was very, very happy. You hear her voice on the background. So, guys, here is the talking we are making. I've already washed and cuttingable, and I added all my seasoning when I get from my kitchen. I can't put on. So when I felt do all those one, I not put water and una see. So now we dey put water. So, guys, when I see the pawpaw, when I use remain for the stew, when I post, I think last week, yes, if I'm not mistaken. So the full pawpaw, I cut her into two. I use one side to make stew. Una don't see the video. Hey, if you never see that video, please try make you go watch that video. You go like her. So the remaining part now be this one. So we want to make our sweet jollof rice. This jollof, don't worry. I don't want make I too how am I going to say? Well, I don't know the English when I go use for them, but just keep watching. So, guys, this one our pot. We want to make this our bonga jollof rice today. So, I don't put the pepper mix, do everything. So now the rice we want to make the jollof rice be this one. You need to toast and just the watch the way I say do and say if you get visitor. Can't greet you. You get visitor for house. You make this jollof. They go dash you money. Not be saying a lie. Just try them. Then you'll come back. Come give me your review for the comment section. How it goes. So we are back to our stew again. And we can't put our seasoning. Everything when I get from my kitchen. So now the stock now be this one. So we turn now, we cover that, and we are back again to our rice. Look at it now. You go toast your rice. It go come be like this. If you use that to do jollof, oh my God. Just keep watching. So that one don't finish. Now they do another one. You go toast everything. I know say they take time, but just calm down. Be patient, but the results, the results, oh my God, it worth the time. So now we don't toast our rice finish. We can't put on for inside the stew when we don't make. Look at this now. Is this not beautiful? Rice never even ready, but see the color alone. See the aroma when don't they come out from my kitchen. Jesus, mama, you too much. So this is my chicken seasoning. Jollof seasoning. And I be that one. So I add small cover. So, guys, if you don't say don't watch this video, reach share. It means say you dey enjoy my video, but you never follow, you never like, you never leave comments. You never even share. Kilo day, what is going on? Oh yeah, na papa, mama, auntie, uncle. Kilo day. Follow this page. As you do, may God highly bless you. And so my returning followers, I say may God bless you all. As soon as they support una get. Look at our toasty toasted. My people beg anyone jare. The mate be say make our jollof rice sweet. And I don't know the way to be different. Look at it. I don't put butter, put onions. Use that turner. Look at the aroma. Look at the smoke. The rice is smoking already. It's toasting already. Bandan, you too much. Look at it, guys. So thank you guys for joining and see you all in my next video. Una bye for now.